3, 2, 1, go! And here goes 1540, the Flaming Chickens looking to put up a tube in the tournament. 968 did not manage to pick up the tube that was directly in front of it. 1540 dropping their tube as well. So no Uber Tube bonus as we wait for the drivers. And here come the drivers. Tubes making their way on the field. 1540 has the tube in his possession. And there's a blue tube making its way onto the side. 968 trying to score up high. One of the interesting things is watching how the human players choose to get those tubes onto the field. Some of them swing them, some of them throw them over their backs, some of them pass them through and wedge them into robots like that one. And we've got 3255 going up for a score to help out the Flaming Chickens. At 3255, the Super Nerds, they're another good team to look at. Behind them is 1540. They've been a consistent high score throughout the day. Team Pedestrian also making their fair share of scores. They're coming in for the Blue Alliance. They've got 3 tubes hung up on the Blue Alliance, but no logos. 968 looking to change that. Under a minute remaining. All right, so we've got almost a logo being done over there by Team Super Nerds. 968's really having a trouble making these logos. 1540 also having trouble going around. There's a full logo courtesy of the Super Nerds and the Flaming Chickens. 2493 RoboKong is playing defense against 968. 968 looking to finish that logo, and they do. So looks like there are more tubes up on the Blue Alliance than on the Red Alliance. It looks like we're getting ready for the end game, and 1540 is in position to deposit their mini-bot. Oh no, they're going to pick up another tube and go with it. Oh, they're swinging wildly out of control. Almost necking a referee. That's the end of the match.